Today we're building a budget gaming PC that packs a punch for under $950. Let's dive in, starting off with the Phanteks XT Pro Ultra case. It's sleek, spacious, and perfect for airflow. Next, the MSI B650 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard, ready for the latest AMD Ryzen chips and built-in Wi-Fi, 16GB of Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 RAM for fast speeds paired with a 1TB Crucial P3 Plus SSD for snappy load times. Thermalright's Assassin Spirit 120 EVO keeps our Ryzen cool under pressure. And here's the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X, a 6-core beast running at 4.7 GHz for smooth gaming performance. For graphics, we've got the Intel Arc B580 12GB, high-quality visuals and performance at a killer price. And powering it all is the Corsair RM750E with 750 watts of 80+ gold certified efficiency. Altogether, this build is ready to crush your favorite games at 1080p and even 1440p. All this for under $950. Gaming doesn't have to break the bank. Build yours today. Subscribe for more budget builds.